Hello everyone, today I will show you how to replace the battery. Pry open the shell along the edge. Remove the outer shell. Push outward to remove the outer casing. Pry open the right cover along the edge and remove it. Pry open the left cover along the edge and remove it. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws at the four corners and remove them. Remove the speaker. Unplug the bottom wire connector. Reach in and push the main board outward to expose the battery connector. Unplug the battery wire connector from the main board gently to prevent damage. Take out the old battery. Place the new battery in the battery compartment. Take out the main board and align it to connect to the battery connector. Place the battery into the card slot. Check the interface and plug in the bottom right wire connector to ensure stable connection. Connect the blue main board wire properly to ensure the device operates normally. Tighten the screws at the four corners of the speaker to prevent loosening. After checking internal connections, close the left cover properly. Close the right cover properly. Check the position of the key interface and install the outer casing after alignment. Double-check the position of the key interface and install the outer shell cover to avoid misalignment. Power on test to check if the battery is working properly. Thanks for watching. See you next time.